Okay, so right now I have a chiropractor appointment. I don't know if I can film. We'll try. And that. Okay.
Maybe. Okay, well, just the adjustment part then. So, push it, and then she asked me to sit on that.
Yeah, and also her. I've been trying to convince her since last year because she keeps complaining about everything.
Yeah.
Okay,
You
okay.
know, she keeps saying that she's scared.
If you're scared,
I am, yeah.
Let's do this one. Breathe out. Back. You feel some tension going that way, less this way. So definitely feel the tension for the first segment. And we just go.
Oh, that was a lot more. Okay, I feel so good. Kat's been wanting to try it, but she's so scared. But it's so good. It feels so good. You feel like a brand new baby.
Medyo hanggang massage pa lang muna ako ngayon, guys. Medyo nasa-scared pa ako.
So now we're on our way to drop Kat off because she has driving lessons today. Luckily, where I'm dropping her off is only like 3 minutes away because her lessons are at 3. Yeah, 3. So,
Instead of 5, na-change siya ng 3. So, okay na yun kasi pagkatapos ng driving lessons ko, may natitira pa kaming araw para gawin yung mga iba naming gagawin.
guys, yan yung teacher ni Kat. TD driving. Yun na siya. Tapos, habang nagda-driving lesson siya, ako naman ay mag-grocery shopping.
So this is the end of the turning, so increase the speed right away. Good job. You're less nervous now, right?
Yeah, compared to earlier.
With the left turn, here from me please. With the left turn. So you move up to a rolling stand, make sure it's clear before we can go.
Didn't give me a chance.
So it's clear now, right? So you can go. Good. Can you go to the right lane for me, please? Okay. Yeah. So go straight there for me, please. Go straight.
Oh yeah, because it's go.
Yeah. Yeah, you go. Okay. Can you make a right turn at the stop sign for me, please? Right turn.
Oh.
This is for the bus only. That's fine, no problem. That's why we practice, right?
Oh my god. Okay.
So first of all, you check on your left, make sure it's clear there before we can't go. So move up a little bit more.
So I can.
Yeah, you can see there. This is.
So I am right now at Walmart and I'm gonna do some grocery shopping here because my coworker told me that the ingredients for what she baked is usually at Walmart. But I don't know how to vlog and grocery shop, so we'll see how this works. Kat is driving, so it's just me. Ang daming kalat ng grocery bag namin. Okay, so ayun siya. Dami ng kalat. Kailangan namin magtapon ng kalat. Ayan. Anyways, ayun ang Walmart. Nasa Metatown pala ako. Kumuha ako ng conditioner and some hair mask because we don't have any more. And then now I'm gonna go downstairs. Mura lang nito. Mura lang. $8. So I'm gonna get one. This week we need meats kasi hindi ako nag-order ng food subscription. Mahal yung mga baking trays nila kaya siguro hanap tayo ng dollar store or something. Canadian Tire. Masyado mahal. Kailangan natin yung milk and kailangan ko rin ng butter but I don't know where it is so I have to find it. Found it. It's right here. Okay, now for I don't know where the baking soda is so gotta go look for the baking soda. No, baking powder. Baking powder is what I'm looking for. This is the Asian section at Walmart. I'm looking for a rice flour here. Magical, right there. $5. Sorry. Okay, so tapos na tayo dito sa Walmart. There's only I think like 15 minutes left, and then cat will be done. So there's really no point for me to go to Superstore to finish the rest, but nakagastos tayo ng $53 sa Walmart. Load ko lang to sa car. So it's I don't know what time it is actually. Let me check. 3:41. And I'm pretty sure Cat's not done yet, but I don't have enough time to go to another grocery store to get some more groceries. So what I'm gonna do is just list the things that I need right now, so then when Cat comes back we're ready to go. Yeah, I hope I have paper and pen. I usually have a paper and pen. You know why? Because it's important. Important to have it in the car. Hello. Sabi ko lang. Di na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog kasi daming tao. Nahihiya rin naman ako. Not just, for me, but also for them. Baka kasi they don't want to be in the vlog or they don't want to be recorded. I just don't want to cause any issues with other people around me. So I'm considerate of their space. Kasi what if they say like, I don't want to be videoed, right? Then we don't want to get in trouble. So always protect your butt. Oh, I found Post-its. Perfect. Post-it and a pen. I'm gonna go do things now. Okay, now we are at Superstore. Kat's already here. She's back.
Magsa-superstore tayo kasi may mga ibang mga bilihin na
Nasaan yung listahan?
Nabili.
Ayan.
Na dito lang sa superstore mabibili.
Now we're at 88 Supermarket. It's another like Asian supermarket. Fashion Pilipinas, no? Okay, we're home now.
Hello guys!
And you wanna haul?
What? Yeah. So marami tayong pinuntahan today. In fairness, naging sobrang productive yung Saturday namin, guys, no? So before namin simulan yung pagluluto dahil dinner time na. So ipapakita namin yung mga nabili namin. Actually, naunang bumili si Kim or nagpunta siya ng Walmart kanina when driving lessons ako. This one.
Okay, this one was on sale for $5. And then this one we got from the dollar store. It was $4.
And this one too.
And that one also from the dollar store. I think this one, $4. Hindi na siya dollar store. $4 na siya.
Okay, this one, ito yung nabili ni Kim sa
Walmart. Flake coconuts siya. Isasama ko dun sa pag-bake. And then this one, small. We only use this, kasi we drink non-lactose?
lactose-free na
Lactose-free
milk.
na milk. So, I only got the small one for baking.
This one, importante ang butter kasi gagamitin ni Kim sa pag-bake and then ginagamit din namin yan for breakfast. Ito, artificial
Vanilla.
flavoring. I think we do have some.
I brought it to work.
Okay. And then, ito, mochi ko.
Sweet rice flour siya. Panggawa ng mochi and everything else.
She bought two, guys. So, kasi we love mochi, so yeah. And then, sa mga hindi nakakain, bumili na din si Kim ng, meron na sila nito?
At saka nag-iba sila ng brand. Ganda na, no? Parang ginagaya nila yung mga minimalist na mga brands.
Yeah, so ito guys, gusto namin, actually si Kim yung una nakadiscover ng Mark Anthony ng argan oil na conditioner. And then, nung na-try namin siya, in fairness sa gustuhan ko. So, nung last time na naghanap kami nito, hindi namin nahanap to. Nagbago na pala sila ng brand. So, we got that. And then, ito, conditioner. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ito ang binili ni Kim. Pero, okay, we'll try. Hindi naman masyadong masalan yung buhok namin. But, we'll see. Ito,
I'm trying kasi last time, herbal essence yung ginamit namin. Pero, ito looks cool. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Tapos, may butterfly pa siya sa taas. And then, it's scalp deep cleansing. So, we need that.
Yeah, and then we also got this one sa dollar store, oil spray. Kasi meron kaming dalawang lalagyan na...
Yung ganito. Pero nabasag yung isa.
Yeah, so kailangan namin bumili ng ito. Pero I think, maganda tong oil spray.
Yeah.
Sinispray
Pang olive oil na natin.
Yeah, sure. And then,
From Superstore,
we bought white bread because pang breakfast. And then, guys, hindi na talaga namin nakita yung lactane siya ba yun? Lactan siya ba yun ng milk?
So, ito na lang.
Natural na lang. And then, more for Kim's baking cherva, baking powder. And
then, we're gonna have afritada this week. So, that... Oh, yeah. So, the reason why we have so much groceries is because we haven't gone shopping.
Groceries for 2 weeks.
No, 4 weeks na siguro.
4 weeks. Yeah, hindi kami nakapag-grocery ng matagal-tagal na dahil nga may fresh prep kami.
Kaya, ngayon, ang laki ng nagastos namin. Well, not really. Mga 150, ganun. Kasi, kailangan namin ng meats, kailangan namin ng, ingredients. And napag-decidean ko na this week, I'm not gonna be ordering fresh prep because we have been ordering fresh prep for a long time. And I walked out of our apartment one time and it smelled like adobo and I really craved adobo, so hence we have meat for adobo and caldereta, and we also have longanisa and this one could be for stir fry, and I'm just gonna make like tapa out of that, and then yung chicken thighs for adobo.
And then we also got a century tuna. Ito, light flakes to. Light flakes calamansi.
Also buy this one at
88.
Superstore.
Yeah.
Kasi it's cheaper. This one was only like $1 and something. And at 88 or like other Filipino stores, it's $2 something.
$2.
Most of the time. So, anyways, we went to 88 also. 88 is a Asian supermarket here in Vancouver.
Yep.
And you will find everything Asian there. And it's like going grocery shopping sa Philippines. So it's really nice kasi it's easy to find everything. You don't have to look for it. But anyways, there
So,
I bought
the first natin na item from 88.
pandan and ube flavoring. Masarap daw yung kasi yung butterfly na so yeah.
And we also got pagoong balayan anchovy sauce.
Yeah, I like this one. I hope I like this one anyways.
And then papaya.
Oh yeah. I bought papaya because I saw it and it looked good.
Yeah, I think masarap to yung ng suka, guys. Papaya.
Suka?
Yeah.
Huh? Ano daw?
Suka as in, naglalaway na ako. And
For
then, let's see. Sabi ni Kim, bumili daw siya ng tuyo. Pero not the tuyo, dried tuyo. It's the gourmet tuyo. So, here. Sardine, Spanish style. And what else? Oh, purple yam.
Yeah. Ito ilalagay ko sa middle ng mochi.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, medyo marami-raming plano si Kim na yun na i-bake, no? And I'm very excited kasi
But don't get your hopes up because
I'm
it's the first
excited.
time.
Yeah.
So we're
Sabi
just
ko sa
gonna,
kanya, gusto ko din mag-bake ng cake. Kaso wala pa talaga kaming pang-baking, guys. Medyo mahal yung mga gamit. So, ito lang muna. Kasi meron naman na kaming pan. Meron naman na kaming ingredients na lang yung kailangan bilhin. At saka, kung bibili pa kami ng mga pang-baking stuff, mahirapan pa kami mag-store. Hindi naman kami laging nagbe-bake.
True.
Yeah.
Also, you will notice wala masyadong vegetables na pang recados for our food. That's because siguro mga Wednesday or Thursday pa namin makukook yung meats namin and ulam for the week. We'll just buy from the store near us. Para siyang maliit lang na produce
Parang
store.
sari-sari store. Ay, hindi naman sari-sari store. Parang convenience store.
Yeah, for groceries too. So that's what we're gonna do for the week. Yan na siya. This all is under $150.
Yep.
Yeah.
You just really have to look for find na mga places na medyo makakalas kayo.
True. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna be putting this stuff away and then eating dinner. So we'll just end this here.
Alright. Thank you, guys!
Thanks for watching. Peace. We also bought a wok from Walmart and guess how much it was. I think you already know because it was in the video. It's $8. Okay.